All right, buddy. You want to make sure that's got all the oil, okay?
Okay.
You know what that's for? Just to help it from sticking. Okay. Now, come here. Hold on to this. Don't get too close, okay? Hold on. You see the way I'm holding it like that? Okay. Here's what we can do. We can hold it like this. Then just put it over. Start dropping it. Start spreading it around. Alright, that's good.
Well, look at it bubbling right there.
Yep. Come here. Hold on to this right here.
Hold on to
The handle. What you want to do is you want to make sure it spreads around. You see? Spread around. Now, once you're doing that, come here.
Did it fall?
No.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Here's what you're gonna do now. Because it's cooking fast, I need you to grab this and start pouring it on just on one side. Okay? Just on one side. You know why it's gonna go on one side?
Why?
Because you're gonna flip the other side. You're doing an omelet, buddy. Alright, so we're doing that.
No, I don't do it.
So you're gonna do this. Like this. Let me show you. You're gonna try to move it a little bit. So we spread it out evenly. Okay? Put this down. Go give me that bag right there.
This one?
Yep.
Cheese?
Yep. Now you gotta do these things a little bit quick because it's cooking. So start grabbing cheese and put as much you want in there.
As much?
As much as you want. But put it just on one side. Be careful. Watch your hands. Make sure you're not getting too close to the pan.
Do I put this in too?
Sure, you can put that one in here. I'll help you.
Yeah,
That's enough cheese?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, hold on to this. Now, you want to hold it like this so that way you can move your spatula. Okay? So now that it's kind of cooked off, you do this. Make sure it's not sticky. Okay? You got a little hand so it's harder. So what you're going to do now is you're going to flip it over, flip this side over on top of the other one. There you go.
I did it.
Now if you do that and you still got some left over, here's what you can do. Grab this.
Grab what?
Grab it with your hand. See this part? Hold on, let me show you. See this part?
Is it hot?
Yeah, a little bit, but it's not too hot. You can grab it with two hands and just pull it over a little bit more like that.
Oh, jeez, okay, you did it.
We'll do that one later, just right now because you're barely learning. Once it's like that, here, take your spatula, start pushing down a little bit.
Oh, you're hungry.
You know why we want to do that? You know why we're doing that?
No.
Make sure we get all the cheese to melt.
Oh.
But you don't want to tap it like it's a puppy. You want to push down on
Oh,
it. And hold on to your pan too. Always hold on to your pan so you have control of it. Good job. Now do this side a little bit.
Touch the pan is hot. But
Now,
I burn myself. I'm fine now.
we'll do that. You okay?
Yeah.
Told you. You're going to burn yourself. Now you see how it's kind of brown already? Or really brown? That's why I tell you got to move a little bit quicker so that way we get it all in there. Because if you go slow, you got to remember this is still going. So if you're going slow and you're not done, this could probably burn. Okay? But it's your first time. It's okay. Now do me a favor and
Give you a plate.
Get a plate.
Right here?
Yep.
Right here? Can you move the camera a little? Because the knife is right there, and then I cut my eye on it.
Okay. Now put it next to the oil. Hold on. So give me your hand. You want to hold on to this. You want to hold this again. You want to turn it. Turn it this way. No, let's turn it this way so that way it can ease out. Once it's like this, hold it tight, okay? Once it's like this, we want to take it off. We want to push it off.
Ah!
There you go.
I did
It's
it!
a wrap. You did your first omelet, buddy. Say bye.
Bye, fam.
Bye, fam. Wow.